Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy egg drop soup. To get started, you'll want a saucepan over medium-high heat, and you will want to add 4 cups of your favorite vegetable broth. Then I'm going to add 1 bunch of chopped green onions. While that mixture is simmering, I'm going to mix the rest of my ingredients together. This is going to create the base for the egg drop soup. In a bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water to the cornstarch and mix it with a fork until it's smooth. This is going to help the egg drop soup thicken up. Once the cornstarch mixture is smooth, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix everything together until smooth and then add it to the broth. Now I'm going to stir and let it come to a boil. While the soup is coming to a boil, I'm going to get my egg drop mixture ready. In a bowl, I'm going to add 2 eggs, and about a tablespoon of water. Now I'm just going to mix together until it's well beaten. Once my eggs and water is beaten together, I'm going to add it to my broth mixture. Now, using your fork, you just want to beat the egg inside the broth. This is going to give it that egg drop soup effect. After about 2 minutes, this egg drop soup is ready to serve. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make easy egg drop soup. Enjoy.